Hello, if you're a first-time viewer, welcome to the channel. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back and thank you for supporting the channel. Today I'm doing a longevity review on this band right here, and look out for more longevity reviews with other products that I have purchased and I have reviewed. But today we're going to give this Apple Watch band a review. I use it for the 5, and we'll start off by showing you. I bought this back in October 31st, and it's the OROBAY compatible with Apple Watch, and that's it right there. Now the reason why I decided to reorder it, and it's been, today is August 25th. This was purchased on August 30th, 2021. I've used this in the shower, I've used this in the pool, I've used this in the beach, I've traveled internationally with it, I have worked on cars, I have worked on construction, I've used it in the office, and I gave it quite a beating. The problem was that recently I went to wear it, I took it off actually, and then I noticed that the band had these cracks right here. So I guess that the rubber, or this feels more like I don't know, synthetic, or it has that carbon fiber look, but I don't think that's carbon fiber. That's just a nice to give it that aesthetics. And the first thing that happened to this was, as you notice, I have a white rubber band here to hold the band in place. That's the first part that actually got it broke, and it got, you know, it was lost. So this is how I've been using it, and I looked for other alternatives, but I just like the style of this one. Currently I'm using one that my daughter gave me for my birthday a few years ago. This is the part number, so I reordered the same one, and then they have different colors. I think they have blue. Okay, it feels a little bit more flexible. This feels stiffer. It looks virtually the same. There are some subtle changes, I can see them. Do I recommend it? Yes. You know, for the use that I've given this, you know, I've showered with it, I've fallen asleep. I mean, this is my daily driver, and now this will be. What else is in the box? Tells you how to install it, which I know. Perfect fit for Apple Watch. It doesn't say what model. I mean, when you go on the website, when you go on Amazon, and this video is not sponsored in any way. So these are pretty straightforward to take off and to reassemble. Just pop the watch out carefully. I like this one. It gives it kind of like that nice elegant look, the band. Right, take the new one, make sure it's clean. Let me just rub it real quick. Let me wipe it. Okay, you insert, there you go, and it goes right in. One thing I like about this is I have never needed to put a screen protector on this, because the surface, you know, it has all that distance, and there's virtually zero scratches on this whatsoever. So before, I used to use the band, the original Apple band, and I would just put a cover that it was a plastic cover, and after a while that kind of turns it yellows, or, you know, it was clear and it turned this color. This is the original color of this band, but if this would have been clear, this is the color that it would turn with time. I guess the UV rays and you know, the use causes it to this color or lose the clearness.